Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the adapter and micro SD are compatible with the host device. Power off the camera, laptop, or console so contacts stay safe. Inspect the card for damage and clean contacts gently with a dry cloth. This prevents read errors. Insert the micro SD into the adapter until it clicks, aligning the notches. You want a flush fit. Once done, keep fingers off contacts and make sure the right protect switch on the adapter is in the desired position before powering the device back on. You next insert the adapter into the device slot using gentle force and the correct orientation. Label or notch direction matters. Once inserted, the device should detect the card. If you see a prompt, choose to mount or open File Manager. Make sure to format or initialize the card in the device if it's new. Formatting sets the correct file system and improves reliability. If you plan to format, back up any existing data first so you don't lose important files when the device reconfigures the card. Now use the adapter for transfers or recording, keeping an eye on transfer speed and remaining space. When finished, always unmount or eject the card through the device's menu or operating system to prevent corruption, then remove the adapter. If the card is not recognized, reinsert it, try a different card reader, or test the micro SD alone. If necessary, recover any data and reformat the card and device. Reformatting often fixes file system errors, but will erase everything, so be sure you have backups first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.